Jamaica's national senior women's football team has a date with history when they face Haiti in their final group game in the CONCACAF Championships in just under an hour. The assignment is simple. Beat Haiti and grab the second automatic spot and qualify for a second consecutive FIFA World Cup. Tying up her boots for the first time tonight will be 29-year-old defender Satara Murray, who received the FIFA clearance today to represent her father's country, hours ahead of the crucial encounter against Haiti. The approval came just in time as defender Denisha Blackwood has been ruled out of tonight's game due to an accumulation of cards. After an agonizing wait to be cleared to represent Jamaica, Murray was relieved to finally see some action.
It has been lifted off my shoulder. I'm excited to be out with the girls tonight and get the job done. You know, that's why I came here. That was the point of this camp is to qualify for a World Cup, and that's exactly what I want to do. I want to help be a part of that. You know, the first game against Mexico was brilliant. I was so proud of us and how we did. The U.S. obviously we knew that was going to be a difficult game and it was a challenge, but I think we accepted it. Now it's down to Haiti.
Murray, who played for Liverpool up to 2019 and now plays in the NWSL with Racing Louisville, says she's ready to marshal the defense, which let in 5 against the United States.
Leadership. I'm hoping that, you know, me leading by example, leading vocally, can help us get a massive win tonight. And my presence, my physical presence, I'm hoping can help, you know, because Haiti themselves is a physical team, and that's one of my biggest attributes. I'm physical, I'm strong, I'm athletic, I'm quick. I'm very good 1v1 and aerially, so I'm hoping that those qualities I can bring in and we can get a win tonight and qualify for the World Cup.
Despite only scoring 1 goal to the Haitians' 3 in 2 matches, Reggae Girlz head coach Lorne Donaldson is backing his team to overcome the challenge.
It's going to be a tug and war, and I always say the team with the most heart is going to come out on top in this game, and I think we have a lion's heart. So, you know, we're hoping that can carry over to the game. So, I expect good things from my squad. I trust them, and you know, in a one-off situation, you know, I have to bet on us.
In the group's other game, playing simultaneously, world champions the United States, who have already claimed the other automatic spot, face hosts Mexico, who are yet to score a point. The third place team will advance to next year's Interconfederation playoffs, where 10 teams challenge for 3 spots.